Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome back to part 2 of the ultimate guide to Vietnam pho noodle soup, history, flavors and traditions. In this video, we'll dive into the essential toppings and herbs, show you how to eat pho like a true local, and share tips to enjoy every flavor-packed bite. Let's continue our pho journey, exploring the regional styles of northern and southern Vietnam. When you travel through Vietnam, you'll quickly realize that pho isn't the same everywhere. The great debate usually sits between pho bac, northern style, and pho nam, southern style. In the north, especially in Hanoi, the approach is one of simplicity and restraint. Northerners prefer a clear, savory broth that leans toward the salty side. The noodles used in pho bac are often wider, and the garnishes are minimal. You won't find a pile of herbs or bean sprouts here. Instead, you might only see some green onions, cilantro, and perhaps a dash of rice vinegar or a squeeze of lime. It's all about the purity of the beef and the broth. In contrast, the southern style is a vibrant, chaotic, and delicious affair. Since the south has a warmer climate and more access to varied produce, their pho reflects that abundance. The broth in pho nam is typically sweeter and darker, often seasoned with rock sugar or hoisin sauce. Southerners also love variety in their meat, often adding beef balls, tendon, or tripe to the bowl. More importantly, a southern bowl arrives with a massive side plate of greens. This version is about customization. You are the architect of your own flavor profile, mixing and matching textures until the bowl is exactly how you like it. Feature northern pho bac, southern pho nam broth flavor savory, salty, and clear, sweeter and more complex noodle size, wide and flat, thinner and more delicate herb selection, minimal, mostly green onion, abundant basil, rice paddy, herb core condiments, rice vinegar, chili sauce, hoisin sauce, sriracha, lime, common toppings, rare beef, cooked brisket, beef balls, tendon, tripe. Essential toppings and herbs for an authentic experience. Part of the fun of eating pho is the sensory explosion provided by the garnishes. If you're eating southern style, you'll be handed a basket of herbs that might look intimidating at first. Thai basil is a must for its anise-like scent, while sawtooth herb cilantro offers a strong, earthy flavor that holds up well in hot liquid. Fresh bean sprouts add a much-needed crunch to the soft texture of the rice noodles, and sliced bird's eye chilies provide a sharp kick for those who like a bit of heat. Don't forget the citrus. A lime wedge is almost always provided to brighten the heavy fats in the beef broth. Adding lime at the right moment can transform a heavy soup into something refreshing. Some people also enjoy dipping their meat into a small side dish filled with a mix of hoisin and sriracha. While these toppings are optional, they are essential for creating the balance of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy that Vietnamese cuisine is famous for. Just remember to taste the chef's work before you start dumping in the sauces. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.